Hello guys, this is Rasdeep. I come back here after 4 months or 5 months maybe. I quit this platform because there is a lot of reason, but I decided to I will work in this platform. I did not here to be famous. I came here to be a fluent speaker. I am a learner also, like you. I'm getting better every day, and I try to speak every single day. You know, I have not this type of cultures, such a culture where I will speak each other, where I will practice each other. So that's why I am making video like this. I will be fluent more. And from this day, I will try to upload in this platform. I will try to run my YouTube channel. If you all are supporting me, I will try, and I will also motivate you, and I will make this type of video how you can be fluent in English. I'm not going to discuss about any topic today. I will do it from tomorrow. I just came here today for remind all of you that I am here. I come back, that I will make videos. All are support me. I will grow, and subscribe the channel for more videos like this.